Hey everybody, I just got done filming a video and I had an idea, so I'm going to throw it out there. I wanted to share with you guys a little bit of chef culture. Now, chefs have their own distinct culture, and to a degree we have our own lingo and slang, and we have our own ways of operating. And one of the things I wanted to start off with was just etiquette in a kitchen. So when you're working in a kitchen, the one in charge is the chef. Like a lot of times it's executive chef or senior chef or a whole bunch of other chefs, but they're just generally called the chef. And a lot of times when you're working in there, you'll refer to them as chef. Yes, chef, no chef, that kind of thing. But everybody else, regardless of rank or title, sous chef, saucier, anything, a lot of times we call them ma'am or sir. And I know some people have issues with that, especially these days, but it's meant to show a sign of respect that even though you're not necessarily on the same level as other people in the kitchen, knowledge or experience, you still are showing the respect that they're standing right there with you. Like, you'll call the dishwasher, yes sir, no sir, can you help me sir? And this attitude and lingo doesn't translate super well outside of it, because a lot of people get offended. Even if they would accept the title of sir or ma'am, they get offended by me saying thank you ma'am or yes ma'am, because I've had some ma'ams tell me, it's like, it makes me feel old. It's like, well, that's not what it is. And there's just a huge disconnect there. So I just wanted to go ahead and throw that out there. Again, just a thing that I thought about that chefs do in the kitchen is just refer to everybody else as sir or ma'am as a sign of respect, and not necessarily a indicator of age. So there you go. Just a little bit into the world of a chef and the culture of a chef. All right, you guys, have a good day.